welcome to my channel. Today I want to share my orange jam recipe with you. I hope you watch and enjoy. I have 1.5 kilo of fresh orange here. Let's start with peeling and cleaning the oranges. As you can see, I try to peel off the orange as thin as possible because I don't want to have white part of the skin inside the jam. White part of the skin gives some bitterness to the jam, which I like to avoid as much as possible. Now that I have finished peeling the oranges, I try to remove white parts by using a spoon as much as possible. As you can see, I found it more convenient to use a stainless steel kitchen scissor to cut orange skin into smaller pieces. Trying to use the scissors to remove middle part of the orange, open the orange. You can use the same scissor or you can use a spoon, whatever more convenient to you to remove the parts from the middle of the orange. Just pay attention, I don't want to remove other pieces which is inside the orange, which gives unpleasant texture to the jam and bitterness to it, which is not suitable to the jam. For me, using the spoon was more convenient. You can try different ways and see whatever possible and more convenient to you, you can use. I continue to do this till all the orange is finished. As you can see, while removing the pulps, some juices coming to the mixture, which is what we need. Exact measurement for the sugar we are going to use in the jam. I need to weigh the final mixture. Here I have 876 grams of mixture, which I'm adding 1/3 of the cup of orange juice, which is freshly made. It comes all together 925 grams of mixture. So as far as I'm using equal amount of sugar for the jam, I measure and add 925 grams of sugar to the mixture inside the pot. the mixture on the oven on a slow heat. I like to close the pot to see mixture comes together and get boiled quicker. As soon as it starts bubbling up, I open the pot and mixing the mixture. I continue boiling the mixture for around 30 minutes to 40 minutes. It depends on level of the heat you are giving to the mixture and amount of jam that you are making. Keep on mixing and checking the mixture. When it bubbles up, reduce the heat or turn it off. If you need to have a thicker mixture, thicker jam, you turn off and turn on the heat several times till it bubbles up and goes down. Then you will have a thicker jam as a result. To find out the consistency of the jam, you can put little of the mixture inside the plate and keep it for a while to get cold. And by touching the mixture, you can find out whether when it is cold, it comes to the same consistency and thickness that you wish to have. Now that we are done with the cooking, make sure that you cool down the mixture before you serve that into the container which you are using to store the jam. You can keep this mixture for several months without getting spoiled. If you like and enjoy our video, please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.